A sweet disclaimer before watching. If you have 10 minutes or less than that, then only continue watch. Otherwise, it would just break the flow as well as reduce your interest to continue further. A very warm welcome to you. We still get confused about making our study interesting, right? Not all, but few people feel like studying is a bit boring, which make them feel lazy. No worry. Relax, take a deep breath. I have come across some of the best ways to study like an expert. Can we start with our first one? It symbolizes understanding your primary language. We all should identify first in which mode we tend to learn and study fast, be it through eyes, mouth, or ear. If you ask about me, I'm able to learn when I speak loud via mouth. Coming to the second point, it says always prefer and look through study guide. People who are authors have made these guides for a reason. Therefore, making of the best use, be it through skimming, that is, certain objectives, ideas, or notions. Moving forward with a third point, it reflects we should print out the notes or presentation. Yes, as we can see in the picture, in case if we were given two choices, suppose maybe a 3 slides per page or 9 slides per page, what do we prefer? I mean, what you will prefer, or maybe I prefer. The second one, which is 9 slides per page. Yes, why so? Because it's our human nature that we tend to prefer less bunch of sheets to make our learning easy. Moving forward with a fourth point, which says always take notes through small keywords. For example, for theory part we should write in notebook, and for practical part we should prefer typing in iPad or laptop. Any analysis or guesses after seeing this picture? Yes, it says about a sweet reminder of revising. Yes, that what our fourth point reflect, or fifth point. Revise all information in a day after hearing or consuming it. Don't delay or pass it on the next day. Furthermore, it also talks about a way in which we can showcase in our maybe wall or the table. Yes, we can see the beautiful green, pink, and blue cards which are just placed on a wall. Yes, we can also do this in our study table or maybe in our office. Since we have done all the 5 points, I hope you all have written down, and if not, there is a quick reminder to write. Yeah, let's sum up it. First point, understanding your primary language. Second one, always prefer and look through study guide. Print out the notes or presentation. Coming to the fourth point, always take notes through small keywords. And last but not the least, we have covered just now, revise all the information in a day after consuming it. That was just perfect. Coming to our sixth point, as we can see in the picture, what does this written here? The art of skimming, how to skim a text. That's what our sixth point define. It says skimming is a skill and we all should learn it. No, there is no course for it. It all comes through practice. In case if we are feeling a bit low or bored, no worry, it's our human nature that we tend to feel this because we are known to consume fast information with no time. Yes, since we have covered 6 points and only 4 points are left, yes, and it will be covered within 5 minutes. So be just patient, kind, you are going on a right path. Here it goes with our seventh point. It's preferred to learn before going to sleep, as in the night, our subconscious mind consumes automatically with an easy mode. Yes, like we can see in the picture. Our eighth point is considered one of the most important out of 10. Do you want to know how and why? Let's just see in the eighth point. It generally observes people sleep late around 3 for studying. This is completely wrong. We should not underestimate the power of sleeping. Not only it affects our eyes, research have shown that it also affect and made a greater impact in our physical health as well as to our mental health. I hope your energy is just rocking. Yes. Coming to our second last point, it says surround yourself with a good environment. You are feeling comfortable. Have a scented candle or the light scent, which is just offering positive vibes because it increases our concentration level. The last but not the least, it talks about that please make a note of what you are intaking. For example, we should not eat fatty food as we can see in the picture, as it would make us feel lazy and make our energy drained off. So we have to watch what we are eating. Okay. Last but not the least, a sweet note for all my viewers who are watching, that I wish to have a bright future for you all. Stay hale and hearty. See ya.